I am here in the hills of St. Andrew, vibing with a spiritual and soulful entertainer. His parents name him Bryden Wilkins, but we know him as
BESCENTA.
Big brother. How things are?
You know, great, you know. Still giving thanks and praise for life, you know.
Manners and respect.
Man. Upful and powerful and mighty, you know. This world is in trouble. This world needs spiritual healing right now on the double. You know it's BESCENTA, ever burning. I said calm down your nerves. Hey, you a push it and not chuck it like your bad mind. You hit the curb. I said calm down your nerves.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father BESCENTA, talk to us now. Early life, place of birth, schooling.
The name, as I hear before, is Bryden BESCENTA Craig Wilkins. You're born and grew up in the hills of St. Andrew, a place called Salisbury Plain. That's where I really grew up.
Yeah.
You know, going to mango bush, going to the river, apple,
Yeah.
everything, not a lot of fruits, you know.
Nature vibes from early.
Yeah, man, from early. Schooling, we started out at the Salisbury Plain all age. You know, basic school.
Basic.
There. Then we go to Almoney all age. That's in Parks Road. And then from there to Oberlin High. And then from Oberlin High to St. Andrew Technical.
St. Andrew Technical. Siblings?
Alright, this is my father still.
Yeah.
My father have a way with the ladies.
Oh, you have a way with the ladies.
Yes, so I have all brother out there we don't know.
We don't know.
Sisters out there we don't know. You know, but so far I know I have 4 brothers.
Yeah.
You know, I have a sister outside from my father's side I know.
Cool, cool.
Yeah, man.
Mommy and daddy still around?
No.
No.
Mommy passed off, daddy passed off.
Condolences.
Yeah man, rest in peace, Mr. Mr. Joseph.
Cool, Lord. Any children?
Yeah man, I have a nice daughter, her name is Brianna.
Brianna.
Care. Yeah.
Oh, cool, cool,
She
cool.
got Oberlin now, she in 6th form.
Okay, big girl,
Yeah,
man.
Big girl.
So high school, and you sound like a man. We are on the music from them time there.
Yeah man, we have it within way from day one because the family, I have an uncle who used to have sound,
Yeah.
you know, and I have cousins who used to DJ and thing, you know, but we started out in school doing like school concerts
Yeah.
and stuff like that, you know, from dancing to writing music and then performing music.
So apart from the musical aspect of the thing, what else BESCENTA can do?
Yeah, at the time I was pursuing electrical installation, you know, and
Big something that
yeah man, when I leave Oberlin, I went to Stats to further that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it went well, you know, but still when I leave Stats, it was just
Music.
right head on to music. Yeah.
So, how you stay with the electrical thing, you know?
I have it same way, you know.
Have it, so you can string a house.
Yeah man, we can string, man, we can chop the wall and everything.
Chop the wall and everything. And the house no burn down.
Well, after the certification, we
Yeah,
can't talk about
can't
all
talk
of
about
that,
that.
'cause nobody not perfect.
Yeah,
so,
we know it
you
thing. So, the music, because I realize that are the passion, right?
Yeah.
How did you enter the music scene now? So, forget about the concerts in school and that, but Jamaica entertainment industry, what was your first step towards reaching there?
Started from a group in my community.
You formed the group?
Yeah.
Cornerstone.
Yeah, the group
know
Cornerstone,
about
me
it,
and some friends, you know.
So
And
what did ever happen to
I
Cornerstone?
was the lead singer at the
Yeah.
time, and you know, we're doing our thing around there, but then I met Computer Paul, you know. I met Computer Paul from boot camp, and at the time, he said he couldn't help the 3 of us at the same time. So,
Henton, right?
yeah, that's Henton, Paul Henton. So, you see, at the time, I was more versed at the time, you know.
Out of the group.
Yeah, out of the group, so it would really help me. So, went back and reasoned with the group, and the group said, right, here, what, go ahead.
Speaking about Cornerstone, because the tune in the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and them man they good see me.
Yeah, man, Pioneer and Rock Eye.
And Rock
Yeah,
Eye.
man, good. Both of them have them careers.
I work
you know,
on same
way. and
Makes sense.
I did a song just the other day with Pioneer called Heartstring. Tell them no cut the heartstring. Reggae is the life of the people if we don't fight it to the evil. Look at the vibes the yard bring. For years we've been vibing the people from the vinyl to the niggle. Don't cut the heartstring. Reggae is the vibes of the people if we don't try kill it to the evil. You know, nice combination.
I'm glad for know everything still level between them and them. Because you know, more time you have a group and somebody cut, you know, there may be a little bit of
start a little vibe.
Yeah, man. So we're glad for that.
And from there on now, at Computer Paul, start perfect the way how to write a song.
Yeah.
You know, how to compose a song and all these things, the keys and, you know, a lot of things. You know, and then now, one day, him called me and said, you know, man, put the song in the festival, which was a song called The World Is in Trouble.
The World Is in Trouble.
Yeah.
Do a piece right now, man.
This world is in trouble. This world needs spiritual healing. Right now on the double. Crime rate total we reach. And no matter how the artists them a preach. And no matter how the mothers them a cry and a beseech. Till I find people body in a rubbish heap. Crime time news a go on and me take a peep. And you find them lie down on the cold concrete. And from the other day, some no will a comfortable sleep. Enough get burn out and get turned out on street. Fire burn!
But BESCENTA, that song they don't sound like a festival song. That song they sound like a hardcore reggae song. So how that end up there, sir?
So we enter the festival for more than one reason. That year them change the name to pop song.
Okay.
Because they want to save the festival.
Popular song.
Yeah, popular song. So they want more young people involved. So they visit various studios at the time. You know, it wasn't just like some people who want to do the festival from out of the studio lineage.
Yeah.
They get me, so they visit top studios. You know, because even Anthony B was in it at the time. You know?
That's 2005.
5.
Yeah. Okay.
And him say him put the song in it in the festival and thing, and him called me and said the song reached the top the top 10. You know? It was time to see the artists them and thing, to see them perform the song live. And, you know, turn up the evening and, you know, kick back one away still and I watch how go on and thing.
Walla Meds.
Yeah, it was a Walla Meds. At the time, Penicillin did win the year before.
Yeah, I remember Penicillin.
Yeah. And come to me and him and say, yo, you know the, so I asked me I'm here for perform and thing. And I can him out and I said, no man, I just forward my brethren and thing and did it until he said me step up and Tony Rebel was one of the judge at the time.
Tony know good music.
Yeah, man, and when I say everything set up, you know, camera set up and thing, and I said, no, this look really not TVG, and we got some bam and strike, the world is in trouble. So them start write up something.
Okay, voice big in a BESCENTA.
Yeah, and then, yeah, big.
Yeah, man, the voice big bad.
And then now two toes, in the hill and get the call, say, yeah, in the finals, and you know, we start to run from there on. You know, that was like
so
the gateway.
Things start opening up.
Yeah, and just like you said, that song no sound like a song for festival.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't really a song for a festival. It was a song for the festival. Because Jamaica birthday, and me I sing about the crime and you know, the things that were happening. I'd say it was unlike a festival song at the time. So Penicillin win, me came second. But at the same time, I was given the most disciplined trophy.
Yeah.
It was a Master Griffiths trophy, you know. Normally, at year time, you would get the trophy and rain for your ear and then bring it back.
Yeah.
But then we get the trophy for life.
Them say keep it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trophy for life. And from there on, then Swash them, call. I said them need the dub.
As in Swash International?
Yeah, Swash International, because while we were doing the rounds in the festival, we had was to go to like Passa Passa, Stone Love, to perform, and you know, when I touch them grounds there, it was like, you know, me they warm, you know, so them call me instant and them leave from there. I think them go fully loaded and them play the dub and the dub go on good, and you know, we just pick up from there and then leave from Computer Paul to Vertex, you know, from Computer Paul to Vertex. When we got Vertex and
so that was an amicable split?
Not really an amicable split in it, was just time.
Time for move on.
Time.
Growth.
Yeah.
Movements.
Things and time just take a time and change, and you get more and more in the music when you really want to go out there in the street and things.
Evolve.
Yeah, so when we reach Vertex them now, that's the time I come in the street, you know. Start the promotion in the street, like a night time with Masadan in the street. Everywhere where the entertainment was, you know, we're out in the street and we do it. And to make the household name them time. So we get the song name Mama Told Me them time now. And Can You Handle It? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? True love that will never die. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Forever love, whoa. I wish that we would both live to see many other days. The way you make me feel can never be measured in any way. And even when you're not around, the thoughts of you bring me the shivery. And then now, Mama told me it was like the song where, because it was a season where, grab mic season we call it, where you have a lot of group out, like you have Ivy and Turbulence, Fanta, everybody out. So when you're
Roots
out,
reggae dip on a high.
yeah, when you get a chance,
you have to hold it.
you have to just sing the main song. So
Okay.
Mama told me come up, you know. Mama told me them time that was. Mama told me gun company would let me down. Papa showed me say if you bust it up, no run no town. If I had only listen to my mama sound.
Those two songs would have been your entry into mainstream Jamaican reggae music.
Yeah.
There's this song, Calm Down Your Nerves.
Yeah. Just as I leave Vertex. Before me leave Vertex, I do a song called I give my loving to my queen. In turn, she give loving to the king. And the next song called Universal Love. We don't want no war today. You have Egyptian on it at the time, so they video the Egyptian on it at the time, so that song didn't really get the highlight it was supposed to get. But then now I move on to UMI at the time. There now, we did the Calm Down Your Nerves.
Yeah, what gave life to that song? Because the reality BESCENTA is that when the name BESCENTA comes up, the song where most persons can identify with is Calm Down Your Nerve. We know the world is in trouble would have been your first step on the thing. But calm down, when I say BESCENTA, the man are going to say, oh, I the artist sing Calm Down Your Nerves. Right. So what led to the creation of that track?
All right, Calm Down Your Nerves now. You know, Jamaica have a thing, an ongoing thing with crime. You know, this crime thing and
ego.
You know, the ego thing and the she-ego thing and every man head at. Then I think Busy did say atted at the time.
Yeah.
You know? And while composing the song, I said, atted, calm down your nerves, because you were pushing, but it's not busy. It's not like me I talk to busy signal, but the youths are not old cars. Because he must say the youth them head at. You know? I mean I said at the same time a youth, if your nerves, if something ever bother your nerves, you know, within yo. Brethren,
your head with chip.
Yeah, man, your head with chip. So, compose the song, Calm Down Your Nerves, and we record the song. We do it over, we record it. I think we record the song about 3 times.
Three different producers?
No, not 3 different producers, but just forget it
right. Get it right, I understand. You know? And you did get it right, brother.
I'm going to tell you.
Because that song.
The reason why it would stand out more than the rest. It goes straight to #1.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, it was the #1 song.
That song that connect, man. Yeah, you understand? And the messaging of the song, the messaging of the song relevant up to today and will continue to remain relevant. That is a song where people identify BESCENTA with. Keep people in peace, no man, we are hold on for it for.
Mother Earth a run red, too much people are dead. Calm down now, what Ted? Hey! You know it's BESCENTA, ever burning. I Ted, calm down your nerves. Hey, you a push it and not chuck it like your bad mind, you hit the curb. I Ted, calm down your nerves. Hey, you a take people life. A life we preserve. Calm down your nerves. Cause the police, them a plan fi come out and shoot you like bird. Calm down your nerves. Hey, yo, you murder 2 already, now your head at you going for the 3rd. Boom! Take the money, do the crime, the blame is on you. Whole place tends anytime you come through. You never stop till water reach low. And now you go bleach out in the night, Joe. Hey, the police have the place curfew. Warrant way short for you overdue. Guess what, them lock up your girlfriends who and them just murder 1 from your crew. Calm down your nerves.
Brother,
yeah man, me I tell you.
You're fine with that one there. You understand me? I say solid. That song they're gonna live on. You understand? No matter how advanced the music get, no matter how it evolve, the messaging of that will always remain relevant.
Sure.
Who have you been working with in recent times?
Well, a lot of producers over the journey, you know, on the journey.
Yeah.
So it would be UMI at that time. Yeah, we did an album called Genuine.
Where is the album? Where people can find the album?
Alright, the reason why people wouldn't find the album never released the real way out to the public, you know. Groundwork and a lot of things, but then no, it never reached that point, you know. But then now, believe you and my UTH music.
UTH music.
Yeah.
So how long now UTH music are move?
Well, me and UTH I roll for more than like 5
years.
We'll go up in the 5 years.
So
now.
the relationship, the energy and synergy there has been working.
All right.
Been working.
I tell you about UTH music now. While in the streets, you know, I meet Craig. And I did a song
Craig are the man behind UTH.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I did a song for him called Victory. Yeah, at the time. Victory! Jogging with the victory. Yeah. The victory! While in the street reasoning and thing, you know, him from the hills, me from the hills, me I say, youth, you know, say, in the streets and I do a lot of works in the street, but then still, nah.
Yeah, nah.
Gel the real way, but I love for one at a time. Can kick back in the hills and do something and do a project from the hills, you know. I just know say it's a hills project and he must say, you know, so I have the same idea, you know, and him have the studio up here, so I say, all right, you know, I could get something going, something together. And we started the project after Win It.
After Win It.
Yeah. And before the After Win It finished, we did an EP called Green Ghoul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you've been putting in the work, BESCENTA.
Yeah, man, we never stop. The title song is a herb song.
That's not surprising still.
Yeah, so I say 420, worldwide the green gold a smoke plenty. Hey, the kitchen of empty. Bible verse bless the herbs we just send we. Boop. When I smoke the green gold, I pull till me red like the sunball. Water run from me eyeball. Whoa, na na na. When I smoke the green gold, with meditation I like the sky wall. Chalice my bun spliff too small. Oh na na na. Hi, from creation the most I send it, and said the planters and chanters we protect it. Save the weed seed, me tell them no crush it, grow it, make the weed feel flourish. Boop. From Jamaica to Cali, the green gold, I travel both hills and valley. Green gold. We forward a song I did with a combination I did back then with Warrior King, while with Vertex.
Yeah.
You know, all the words.
Talk to me about the music. So you're coming at the music. How easy or difficult was it for people to start recognize the talent? What kind of obstacle you face, if any?
Alright, I tell you. Let me say when you're doing a work where you love, it's not really hard, even though it's hard and it comes with hardship. But you see the love I have for the music, sometimes when you work you don't even realize how hard you work. You understand? So I always put in the work non-stop. Non-stop. It's just where you put in and get out of it. So
Yeah.
It's either work or if you don't work you don't know, so you don't get no recognition. So me as a youth while in the street I always try to support other people and other people support me. Like do the charity works, you know, visit the schools and them things when necessary, you know, when I get the call,
Yeah,
you know, once available.
Yeah,
so
man.
it's not just a money thing, you know, you have to have a art and have a love for it,
Yeah.
you know. So my thing is really the love I have for the music.
There wasn't any major stumbling block or roadblock
Yeah,
in
man.
moving the career forward.
Yeah, a whole heap.
Like what?
A whole heap. You know, like regular life, like to even support me youth, you know, because you don't know you have the career and then a youth come and play, you know. You know, you have to balance that.
True.
You know, you have like not getting your music played, you know. Not getting show, something you get show, you don't get paid. You know, it have the ups and downs, a whole heap of things, man. Sometimes even light gone, you go to an event and light gone and things have happened over happen.
Yeah, I know them.
You know what I mean?
Because you don't really have control over that still. Isn't
Them
it?
things there's like behind the scene, you know.
But them things they help build with.
Them things they build with, you know. A lot of these things
And
you
just-
build from, you know.
just speaking
and even when people speak negative things, sometimes it build you.
Yeah.
You know.
You use that
build
motivation.
from, you build from that kind
In a
of.
real life.
You know, even when the composition time comes for write, you have to have a lot of things. It's not all about the glamour and the niceness and the whatever. You know, it's about the realness. The more you can put the real in it, the more you get back the real.
What would
feel
you
about that.
say is your most memorable moment in the career so far? The one where stand out when you remember it, you smile and you say, yo, I BESCENTA that, you know.
Yeah, I think the one that stand out for me is when I get Rebel Salute.
Big show.
Yeah, but the fact that I get Rebel Salute, at the time when I get it, you know, I was the opening act. Is either you take the slot
Are you not take it?
or you don't. You're not a
show.
part of the show.
Yeah.
And take the slot, you know, and do the
fire.
rehearsal and I tell you, say, when I come out, and I chop the show is like the show reach in the tail end. Yeah, it's like it's in the tail end.
Yeah.
That real morning vibe there. That here, so when I come off of the stage, you know, you have a long list of people for interview down the line. Every table me reach, wow, what a start. Them never say a show open like that, you know, what a open. So, you know, it's time to reason say if you love what you love, you know, matters not where them place.
Just do it and done.
We just
Seize
do
the
your work what
opportunity.
you're supposed to do, you know. And that's one is
So that's
always
your most
memorable.
memorable moment. You
Yeah,
can
for
pick
me.
out any one moment where you say, I wish that never happened.
Remember they have an event and it wasn't like an event I'm a bill for, you know, and the regular acts were bill for. Some of them never turn up, you know, but I was there. At the same time, the mic that I run and everybody keep on just a shoot, go up and just do them thing, just a shoot and I go up and do them thing. And for some reason, I just find myself just stand still like this. And I said to myself, I said, no, man, I don't need this. Normally, I would go up there and do my thing and come down and then it open, you know, for me to do it. You know, and it really leave me for question self, you know.
Yeah. Has BESCENTA traveled outside of Jamaica?
Yes, man. Now the early part of my career, I go Europe, yeah, about 3 times.
3 times.
Belgium, Spain, Amiens, Hanover, yeah, Paris, you know, quite a few places. And we did Bahamas, yeah, we got to Bimini, you know,
Where's your favorite place to perform?
out of Jamaica.
Anywhere in Ireland, man. Yard, abroad.
Europe still.
Why Europe?
You know, to all the people them receive
reaction.
yeah, to all they receive the music, you know, and into it.
So you say them have a greater appreciation for the art than
To
us.
all them appreciate
Yeah.
it. Not more than us, you know, but to all, it's just amazing to see all the outside world take on to what we have do from here, so. So, you know, it's just a joy to bring it to them and all them receive it.
The career not over. You still have put in the
No,
work.
man, it can't over, man. We're still
What
on the
kind
journey.
of dream you still have in the music?
Well, my work in this music is to partake in, like, ensuring that clean music, you know, stay in the business. You know, I always have to clean music.
Yeah.
You know, music for teach youths them, for open them eyes. You know?
Despite the fact that they think kind of move away, you know, get caught up in that.
No.
Yeah, all they want to say me.
You know, even if we team up with some of the youth them where them consider as the youth them sing certain type of music, you know, we know how to place ourselves.
Makes sense, makes
you know,
sense.
and make the change. It's not for it's not for we shun them. Cause remember when we the young in the business.
Accept and guide.
Yeah, when we the young in the business, I talk a lot of things, man. You know, I just talk how me feel.
Yeah, but you're
You
mature
know, at the time now, I get to understand so
calm down your nerve.
life. And not even just say calm down your nerves alone. You know,
Yeah.
life
Yeah,
life
life.
itself, I show you say, yo, things on time are changing. Youth is either you're gonna be a good role model, you know, or you're gonna just come out tight. If you're not gonna be a good role model, just remove yourself.
Just remove yourself.
You know?
So your mission is to produce music that is clean and that will remain relevant down the years.
Alright, I have a time to play with words. You know, because me as a youth, I compose a lot. I compose dancehall, reggae music, and sometimes the crossover beat, you know, different genre. So sometimes you play with words, you know, in a mature way. You understand? Sometimes you play with words where you wouldn't want a certain little youth to really hear.
Makes sense.
You understand?
Makes sense. I just you have to know for
Yeah, just you have to know. And certain tune of me have is just for certain audience stuff.
Yeah, know them.
You
well.
understand?
Sense of occasion and
Yeah.
timing.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we leave from, we talk about the Green Gold EP. We have the Afro Win It album. It's by youth here.
So that is out.
Yeah, man, out.
Where can it be found?
It can be found on all digital platforms.
So iTunes, Spotify,
Yeah, man, everything out
okay,
there,
cool.
you know.
So the people them out there who want to get in touch with BESCENTA though, how they go about doing that?
So to link with BESCENTA, you can link me at uthmusicja@gmail.com. Yeah? Or 1-876-424-8699. The network, the IG, BESCENTA official. Fans, you know, people of the world, lovers of reggae music. This is BESCENTA. You know, I constantly do clean music. You know, music not just for me, you know, but music for situations where, you know, sometimes you can feel down and just listen to a song and you feel better. You know, sometimes, you know, you can lose a loved one, you know, breakup song. A song like even Talk to Me. Say the malice we keeping it ain't to working. Deep down you're hurting. Talk to me. Rumor them a spread, some a flirting. When I'm out with my fans, I'm just working. 1 week now we exchange a word. Pass each other like the street on a curb. Still sleep together but the pillow make the third. When we try to touch, simple action speak the word. Hands off, we quarrel now the kids over. Family a tear apart, it's mashing up my nerves. Man. Yeah, this song is about motivating yourself, you know. Telling yourself say you have to win, you know. Matters not how hard life is. Matters not the difficulty where you might come up through, you know. Sometimes you have to realize, say, yo, sometimes I see a man out there and him rich, you know, but him fail a lot of times before him reach to where he really want to reach, you know. Sure. So I feel win it is one of them motivational songs where I tell you, say, yo, I feel win it, I feel win it, I feel win it. Your righteousness we put in it. Must have to win it, have to win it. Yo, the fire when me burn, the pagan can't stand it, them a panic. Must have to win it, have to win it. Just have to rise like the sun and make the pagan vanish. Must have to win it, have to win it. When I hear time, bad mind can't stop it.
BESCENTA, the voice still big, the voice
yeah, man,
still powerful.
Stop, man.
Go and put in the work, brother. And good music will always find the ears of the masses. You understand what I say?
Yes, and thanks
really
again for having me.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate the eye for
people
really.
have to calm down them nerves again, man. That's true.
I take calm down your nerves. Hey, you a push it and a chuck it like your bad mind. You hit the curb. I take calm down your nerves. Hey, you a take people life. A life we preserve. Go calm down your nerves. Hey, the police them a plan fi come out and shoot you like bird. Calm down your nerves. Hey, you murder two already know your head hot. Boom, bam. Take the money, do the crime, the blame is on you. Well, place tens anytime. Too much killing, woo woo. Yeah. You're worth more than gold and diamond fall up. Yeah. Real love pepper sauce, so I love never cool up. Hey, remember me, I love you long before you have the money in a kind of top ranking. Nobody with the gun cranking. Go do something with your life, king. Cause enough life lost in the gun thing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.